Hello everyone, today we are going over the IFNA function, spelled IFNA, and this function actually relies on another function returning an error, returning that hashtag NA you see in cell A1, and this function requires two arguments. It requires a value argument and a value IFNA argument. This value argument is going to be what I was talking about when a formula returns you this hashtag in/a, and the value IFNA will just be what you want to appear in the cell once you execute this IFNA formula. So we're going to go over here into our cell A1 and see that this XLOOKUP function is giving us this code right here. So in between the equal sign and the function, you're going to type in IFNA, hit the tab button, and put a comma behind our function that's returning us this error. And now all of a sudden, this XLOOKUP function becomes our value argument. So then, because of this, I want it to return a 0 in the cell instead of that hashtag in/a. So I'm going to hit enter, and now we have this 0 here. It is important to note that you don't have to just do this with numbers. You can also do this with words as well. You just have to make sure to put quotes encompassing it or enclosing it, sorry. And I type in not found in quotes, I hit enter, and now that not found is what appears in this cell. So it's very similar, almost identical to the if error function. The only difference actually is the function itself that's causing the error. So most of the NA functions are lookup functions, but all in all, thank you for watching this video. That's all there is to the if NA function. If you want to learn more about any beginner, intermediate, expert Excel tips, tricks, and whatnot, I've got series on all of those, and I would greatly appreciate it if you check those out. But again, as always, thank you for watching.